And in light of Nancy Guthrie's disappearance, many people are talking about doorbell security cameras. Grace Kramer spoke with a retired FBI agent about security systems and how to use them smartly.
Doorbell systems like this one are fairly common, but not everyone knows how to strategically place them throughout your house or if their system can store video and for how long. Those two things can dramatically impact the course of an investigation.
You can't replace the benefit that a picture provides. And being able to have that photo of that individual, whether they are masked or unmasked, portions of pictures tell stories.
Assistant Chief Jamie Heath has been with the Collegedale Police Department for 24 years. He has seen firsthand how important doorbell security cameras are in criminal investigations.
Having those cameras there not only helps us better identify suspects, it also acts as a deterrent.
But if cameras are not set up correctly, some may be missing out on important features like digital notifications. If you don't know what they are, you can always ask for help.
Find someone that is more tech savvy. Set that up so that not only are your settings configured to where you're getting notification that there's movement at the front door, the closest, your emergency contact type person, a close friend, neighbor, child, if they live nearby, also gets that and can say, hey, mom, dad, is everything okay?
Retired FBI Special Agent Doug Coons says that putting up different cameras inside and outside of your home at different angles can be beneficial.
A sophisticated criminal comes up with a can of spray paint and they spray that and now they think they're safe. They don't think about the hidden one that's over behind the gutter.
It's all information that you may want to share with your loved ones.
I do recommend going and approaching your grandparents or your aunt and uncle that are living on their retirement and getting those cameras placed out in those strategic locations around the home.
Heath says it can all start with a simple conversation.
It's a lot easier to help people understand when you have those face-to-face conversations, when you can pull up on your phone and show them, hey, this is what my camera shows. These are the ways that it has helped me.
And those officers say cameras are vital and offer an additional level of protection in case the worst happens.